The metronome is ticking, the TikTok is blinking, my Instagram is sinking, my mind is slowly erasing. I tune on a lady on the radio. I turn her on with just my sound from across the fucking floor, and she looks at me and she says the words "Aujourd'hui," and I say fuck that, no parler français, all the things are clean, and she sways back and forth between the meanings of her greed, and I tell her come on back, I want some smoking fucking green. Why? I've been blitzkrieg popped out. I wanna be stated, sitting there, no man knows tomorrow, but it's all stuck in a counterculture subterfuge between another man's fadings. As I etch a lone star scrimmage between my eyes, I feel all alone as I take my ideas and I let them hold and I let them shine. And I wanna go, oh no, no. I wanna see it all. But the passioneers keeps me slow.